subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Skullcandy just recently put out its most affordable pair of true wireless earbuds yet. The $29.99 Jib True, available in black or this very attention-getting mix of blue, red, and yellow, managed to deliver a solid mix of specs and serviceable sound quality. Battery life lasts up to 6 hours, they've got the status quo IPX force wet resistance rating, and you can use either of the earbuds independently. That last part is something that many more expensive earbuds, Jabra, still don't offer. The earbud controls aren't customizable, but Skullcandy packs in pretty much all of the functions you'd want: track skip, back, volume, voice assistant, and play, pause, into the large single button on each earbud. They've been easy to memorize in my time testing the Jib True buds. If there's one hang-up with the Jib True, it's that Skullcandy hasn't really optimized them for use with multiple devices. Whereas pricier earbuds tend to remember a handful of pairing sources, the company recommends that you delete these from their current device's Bluetooth list before pairing with another. It's not the end of the world, but it's also fairly inconvenient. As for how they sound, I found that the Jib True made for a solid seal in my ear with the included large-sized tips. This always helps with bass response, and the Jib True definitely put most of their sonic weight behind the bass. It's to the point where the low end is overemphasized and takes away from the mid and high range frequencies. I'm guessing that's partly intentional, since a more neutral sound signature would reveal the inherent weaknesses of $30 earbuds. Acoustic guitars lack warmth, and everything here feels like it's happening in the middle of your head, so the sound stage is quite narrow. But $30, folks. The Jib True earbuds never made me want to rip them out of my ears from audio agony, and I consider that a win. Nor did I run into sync issues when watching videos, and their connectivity proved robust and dependable when walking around busy Brooklyn streets. Perhaps most surprising of all, Skullcandy backs these $30 earbuds with a 2-year warranty. If I do have one gripe, it's that they use a micro USB connector. We're supposed to be long past that now, but I can forgive it for the price point. If you're willing to spend more, stepping up to Skullcandy's pricier earbuds like the $50 Evo Sesh will get you improved audio and other features like integrated tile tracking. So friends, expected if you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.